Welcome to Mono's chemistry class, and we're going to learn how to do Lewis dot diagrams. So we've got the question here, and it says draw the Lewis dot diagram for N. N is nitrogen. Step 1 is to determine the number of valence electrons in the given element. Now there's a couple of different ways you can do this. We are going to use the shortcut. The shortcut says that the number of valence electrons in an element are the same as the group number for groups 1 and 2, or the second number in the group for groups 13 through 18. So nitrogen is in group 15, therefore it has 5 valence electrons. Step 2, draw the element symbol and place the valence electrons around it in a pattern as follows. So we're going to let E equal an element here. So this is a general example. There is no E element, by the way. We're just showing you how to do this. So watch. Here we have element E. The electrons go around as follows. The first one goes there. The second one goes there. The third one goes there. The fourth one goes there. Fifth one back up at the top. 6 again at the bottom. 7 and then 8. Notice that there are 2 electrons in each quadrant of the element. It's almost like there's a box around the letter E, and no more than 2 electrons can fit in each side of the box. Another thing to make note of is that only 2 electrons can fit in each side, ever. The total number of electrons that can go around an element with the 4 sides, of course, would therefore be 8. This is where our octet rule is going to come into play later on. Now that we know how to do this properly, let's look at our final product for nitrogen. We're going to do the Lewis dot diagram for nitrogen. We'll start with the element symbol as discussed. We'll put our dots, we'll start up in the upper left-hand corner, we'll go down to the bottom right-hand, go around, there's our 4th electron, and then there's our 5th valence electron, and there is the Lewis dot diagram for nitrogen. And that, in a nutshell, is how you draw basic Lewis dot structures.